Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you doing, my dear students?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well.
How is everyone in your family?
Alhamdulillah, everyone is fine.
Okay. Asadul Ghalib, I would like to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Ready.
What's your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Asadullah Ghalib.
Okay. What's your nickname?
My nickname is Ghalib.
Look at me. Okay. Okay. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Abdul Shafi.
What's your father?
My father is a teacher.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Fenshi Begum.
What's your mother?
She is a housewife.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have one sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Muhammad Saifun Nahar.
Is she a student?
Yes, she is a student.
Okay. What class is she in?
She is in honors second year.
Okay. What class are you in?
I am in class 8.
Okay. What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is the Apshagara Madrasa.
Okay. What's the roll number?
My roll number is 1.
Okay. Congratulations. So I'd like to ask you more questions about grammar. Are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. আমি অপেক্ষা করছি।
I am waiting.
তুমি যাচ্ছ।
You are going.
তুমি যাচ্ছ না।
You aren't going.
তুমি কি যাচ্ছ?
Are you going?
তুমি কি যাচ্ছ না?
Aren't you going?
তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ?
Where are you going?
তুমি কেন যাচ্ছ?
Why are you going?
তুমি কিভাবে যাচ্ছ?
How are you going?
তুমি কখন যাচ্ছ?
When are you going?
ওকে। সে আসছে।
He is coming.
সে পড়ছে।
He is reading.
সে হাঁটছে।
He is walking.
সে হাঁটছে না।
He isn't walking.
সে কি হাঁটছে?
Is he walking?
সে কি হাঁটছে না?
Isn't he walking?
সে কোথায় হাঁটছে?
Where is he walking?
সে কেন হাঁটছে?
Why is he walking?
সে কখন হাঁটছে?
When is he walking?
তারা গল্প করছে।
They are gossiping.
ওকে। মৃদুমন্দ বাতাস বইছে।
A gentle breeze is blowing.
শোষো করে বাতাস বইছে। The wind is?
The wind is howling.
ওকে। সাপটা ফুসফুস করছে।
The snake is making hissing sound.
বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It is raining.
গুড়ি গুড়ি করে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It is drizzling.
আপনি মাথা গরম করছেন কেন?
Why are you losing your temper?
ওকে। তারা খেলছে।
They are playing.
তারা খেলছে না।
They aren't playing.
তারা কি খেলছে?
Are they playing?
তারা কি খেলছে না?
Aren't they playing?
তারা কোথায় খেলছে?
Where are they playing?
তারা কেন খেলছে?
Why are they playing?
তারা কখন খেলছে?
When are they playing?
Okay. Okay, thanks a lot for answering all the questions properly. You will get prepared, inshallah, in my next lesson. I will also ask you more questions about grammar. Okay, you will get ready for that. Thank you very much for answering all the questions.
It's my pleasure.
Okay.